Day one of my boat restoration is over. I bought the boat yesterday, a little 14 foot, I don't even know what the make is yet. The previous owner is going to let me know when he finds the details apparently. But look, it's a little fiberglass half cabin boat. I had a couple of hours to spare after work today to get started on it, which was really exciting. So what we did today, or what I did today, was first thing I wanted to do was have a look at the transom, just to see if there was any water in behind, any moisture in the marine ply in behind the transom fiberglass. Did a couple of test drills, as you'll see, and it became pretty obvious that there was water in there, which probably means that the timber is rotten, and if it's not already rotten, then it will be eventually. So I want to really strip this boat back and do it right. Doesn't necessarily mean that the timber behind it's rotting, but it will be eventually. So made a start to grinding out the old fiberglass. What we're going to do is rip all that out, put new marine ply in, and fiberglass back over it. The rest of the boat, the structural integrity, the actual hull itself is pretty solid. I don't know what the floor's going to be like, but I'm going to start ripping that up. That's the next thing, to see what it's like underneath, see what the stringers are like, see if it's going to also need replaced, which I suspect, given the age of the boat, it probably will. Ripped out all the stuff from the inside today. All the cabling, all the old upholstery, old seats in the bow, the cabin, ripped them all out. And that was pretty much about it in the few hours that we had to spare after work today. So yeah, look, it's really exciting because it's the first boat I've bought since I moved to Australia. I've restored a couple of boats previously, but I'm looking forward to getting this one ship shape, hopefully by the Christmas holidays. And yeah, so at least we're underway, so stay tuned for the next installment.
It doesn't sound too bad. See if we've got it there.
This is no water dripping out of it.
Yeah, true.
It feels damp.
Is it? Yeah, you could probably get away with it for a while anyway, couldn't you?
Yeah, that's the thing. It's like weighing up whether or not you want to just do it, and then you know it's done. But
Yeah, you wouldn't want to get out the rough seas and asphalt out it. A load of drips into the bottom of the.
that feels damp. Does that feel damp to you?
Yeah, it does a little bit, yeah.
So there's probably a bit of moisture getting in there. Thing is as well, because it's got that many different things I've had on, and see if you haven't put marine silicone round that, you just get that like water ingress, you know, it just comes in.
That's right, yeah. What's it like on the bottom? Underneath it's
That's dry. 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 So it looks like this whole side is dry. And this side is wet. Probably because all these holes here haven't been siliconed or any kind of epoxy has been put in and these things have been bolted through. So the water's getting in.
So there's definitely water in the transom, pouring out, absolutely pouring out.